Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I wanted to share a bunch of hauls, stuff that I've picked up from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Temu, and I also have some Happy Mail shares. The first one I want to share is Hobby Lobby. I stopped by on my way home from work. I found this pom-pom ribbon for 74 cents and I found this watermelon ribbon for 99 cents. I'm in a summer themed swap, so I picked that up for that reason. This faux leather wide ribbon, and it's kind of like a denim. That was only $1.74. This, it says Stamps of Love. It was clearance down to 99 cents. I started to rip the plastic to avoid some glare. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so it's just some stamps. They are used postage stamps. And so yeah, so 99 cents for all of those. I'll just put those in my junk journaling box. I did pick up 2 paper pads. They actually had a few others available, but I went with this one. This is Pine Street Square. I thought this was the same collection that I purchased the 4x6 from them on clearance, but it was different. This one is a really nice quality. The papers kind of have a texture to them. I'll flip it this way. So it is a really nice paper quality for the price and the amount that you get. I love those vintage Santas. I'll put this in my Christmas stash. I did get another one of these. This is the Floral and Fruits. This is my third one of these. I'm almost completely finished with my first one. What I've been doing is running these pages through my Scan & Cut. The Scan & Cut really likes this book because of the white edges, so it can really easily identify what to cut around. So I've been really enjoying that, and I know that once these are gone, they're gone, so I wanted to make sure I had one more in my stash. That is my Hobby Lobby haul. For Joann's, I don't have a Joann's really close to me, so I was driving somewhere else and I saw a Joann's, so I ran in and I picked up the Tiny Attacher staples. These were, I think, 30% off, so these were $2.30 each, and then they had a clearance area and it was an additional 25% off. So I found these washi tape which match the paper pad that I picked up from Michael's, the Celestial one, and this rang up for $1.85, and there's quite a few rolls in there. And that was all that I picked up from Joann's. I'm gonna set this stuff aside. I have a pretty big size Temu haul. I think this is probably 6 orders. I already uploaded the bead and charm part of it, and this is kind of the rest of the stuff that I picked up. I did pick up more of this double-sided tape. It's $4.79. I'm super happy with it. It rips real easy. It's super sticky, so I grabbed another one of those. I picked up some stainless steel pins. These were 98 cents, and I bought these to put in my glue bottles so they don't rust. They're okay. The problem is that if your pin even gets remotely stuck and you pull it, the gold ball will pop off. Now that I know that, I try not to push it all the way down to the ball part. This is a stamp press. This sticks to this. You can rub the wood mounted stamp or your stamp press to evenly disperse the ink. This was $1.98. I grabbed some flowers. These were 88 cents and 87 cents. When I opened them, the quality is terrible. They were falling apart. They have a really nasty odor to them. I wasn't happy with either one of these. I did request a refund and they gave it to me, so these I'll just be getting rid of. This isn't something I would use on any of my projects because of the quality. I picked up some more of these tiny cellophane bags. These were 39 cents or 59 cents. And I use these to share little things in my Happy Mail. I picked up this bigger stack and this was $1.29. They did fold it, which annoys me because that crease stays in there forever. I wish they wouldn't do that. I picked up this really cute hat stamp. It's really nice size, coming in at 5 3/4 by 4, which is a really nice size for a card. How funny that is, I had to get it. I picked up a couple sets of these crafting tweezers. They were 39 cents each. One for myself and one for a swap. Couple of dies. Let's see. First one is this Thank You. It is a layered, which I love the shadow on these ones. This is a really nice size as well. This is about 4 inches by about 3 1/4. It cut really nicely. Love that. and that thank you was $1.35. It was a really good price for that. I picked up this cupcake shaker. This was $1.29. I did turn it into a shaker. It was a little difficult to piece all of the foam in between those skinny pieces. It did work. It's cute. It's a little smaller than what I would have wanted. It's 2 by 2.25. I picked up these two tiny fairies. This one's 2 inches and this one is 1 inch, and I knew that they were this small, which is actually why I purchased them. They're super cute. This is how they cut out. They cut out really well. They're so sweet. Those fairies were 39 cents. And then I picked up this paper tassel maker. This was 75 cents. Here is the paper tassel that it made. Cut really well. I'm happy with that. This gnome, I didn't realize that he had a background, which is super nice. He is about 4 inches by about 1.75 inches, so he's a good size. He was $1.29, which is a great price, and I did cut him out. I did end up having to paper pierce him because this is one die, so you have to cut out the outfit, the beard, the nose, and the hat all separately, which was what I did. Ended up getting the lemon slice. This was $1.98. The only problem that I had with this die is that the background is smaller than this, so I had to actually cut a different circle die to cover the ring. This should be bigger so that it covers the entire back, and if you see, it doesn't. That was $1.98. I did turn it into the shaker part. And I picked up this ticket die. This was $1.28. I did cut it out. I found these stamps. These were like the Studio Gs that used to be $1, and they fit perfectly on this die. So that was good that that worked out with those. I picked up this Halloween die. This was $1.29. What I ended up doing was I cut this out on a big piece of paper and I fed it through my scan and cut so that I would be able to cut a background for the pieces, and that I like way better than just having the die cut with no background. Then you can make it any color that you want. So we have the lollipop skull, the creepy hand, and then the candy. Well, those came out cute. They cut really nice. The last die, I picked up this camera die. I really could not figure out how to use it. This was what I ended up cutting out. I couldn't figure out what this part was for. I'm not sure because there's a circle here that it cuts out. Couldn't figure out how to put that one together. That was 99 cents. I don't know. I tried to find a picture. Maybe this goes here and that goes on top, but I did try that and it looked weird. So I'm not sure on that one. That is my shopping hauls from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and from Temu. I do have some happy mail that I would like to share. I am a little bit late and I apologize for posting some of these so late. I won a prize for a challenge entry that I entered from Tanya at Sidegate Crafts. I will link her channel down below. She sent over a prize. Let's take a look. This is the note from Tanya at Sidegate Crafts. And let's see what I won. I won some correction tape, and it's this really cute snail. That is fun. This is one of those ink rollers that you can use to ink out your address so nobody sees your information. That's adorable. We have this cute little unicorn pencil pouch, and inside we have some more goodies. She shared this cute clip with the funny eyes. That's cute. A mini stapler. I love staplers. These adorable highlighters. They are so fun. Oh, she has shared some stamps. These are nice and thick. Thank you for those. These are great. They're really nice, thick, and layered. Thank you so much for those. Thank you, Tanya, for this prize and for hosting such a fun challenge giveaway. I had posted a video about staples that I was looking for this old American craft stapler, and Heather over at Crafty Girl Heather, I will link her channel down below. She was so kind. She messaged me and said that she had some staples and she said that she would send them my way. She sent me these staples, and Heather, thank you so much that you took the time to send these to me and took them out of your stash and passed them along to me. I appreciate it so much. And so what I ended up doing was, because she had to pay for the postage, I sent her a set of my dewdrops. And Heather, I hope that you enjoyed them, and thank you so much for sending these to me and taking the time to actually send them to me. I really appreciate it so much. I have a card from Deanna Epple on Amazon, and look at this cute stamps that she's used on this. And let's see what this is for. She sent me this Hawaii magnet. Look at how cool that is. I'm going to put this on my vintage cabinet. And she sent this card that says, Aloha. This is for entering her birthday challenge. Thank you so much, Deanna. You did not have to send me a thank you. Thank you for hosting such a fun and easy challenge. That's it, guys. That is my very large haul. I am going to be spending the next hour or so putting everything away where it belongs and getting back to my crafting. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.